Hello, myself Keshosai. I'm from mechanical department. My topic is on a temperature being approach for a multi-sector climate impact analysis. Introduction: a temperature being approach categorizes temperature data into specific ranges. This method allows for a more detailed analysis for climate impact across a various sectors. By examining a temperature pinging, researchers can assess the non-linear effects of temperature on different systems. Importance of temperature pinging. Temperature pinging enables a compressionist understanding of sector specific vulnerabilities. It helps in identifying the threshold beyond which certain impacts become more pronounced. The approach provides insights into a complex interaction between the temperature and various sectors. Sector impact analysis. Agriculture. Temperature pinging can reveal how different crop types respond to a varying temperature ranges. Water resources. Understanding the temperature bins helps in predicting changes in hydrological cycle. Energy sector. Identifying a temperature threshold is crucial for assessing a energy demand and supply dynamics. Methodology. Temperature data is divided into predefined bins such as cold, mild, warm, and hot. Each temperature bin is associated with specific climate impact on different sectors. Researchers analyze the relation between the temperature bins and sector vulnerabilities. Data collection. High quality temperature data from renewable resources is essential for accurate binning analysis. Long term temperature records are preferred to capture heat, threat, and variabilities. Data should cover septal and temporal scale relevant to study area and sector of interest. Temperature binging process. Initial data pre-processing involves cleaning and filtering and organization. Temperature data. Data is grouped into a temperature bins based on predefined thresholds. Statistical analysis is conducted to assess the relation between temperature bins and sectorial impacts. Data integrations, data transformation, data reduction or dimensional reductions, data cleaning, data processing. Case study agriculture. Temperature being helps in assessing the impact of heat stress on crop yield. Identifying optimal temperature ranges from crop growth can inform adaptive temperature stages. Understanding temperature variabilities enhances resilience in agriculture systems, increase weed growth and disease outbreak. Alteration in nutrients and dynamics, increase moisture and duff stresses, reduce soil organic matters and fertilizer stresses, effects on biological health of soil, climate changes effects on agriculture. Identifying the optimal temperature ranges from the crop growth can inform adaptive stages. Understanding temperature variability enhances reliance in agriculture system. Case study water resources. Health, agriculture, forest, water resources, coastal areas, specific and neutral areas. Temperature being a days in predicting the changes in precipitation patterns and water availabilities. Assessing temperatures induced changes in evaporation rate is crucial for water resource management. By analyzing the temperature bins, stakeholders can develop sustainable water management practices. Case study energy sector. Temperature beams are used to evaluate the impact of temperature extremes on energy compositions. Identifying the temperature threshold helps in planning for peak energy demand periods. Climate change predictions based on temperature being assets in energy interactions and plannings. Intersectoral leakages. A temperature being facilitates understanding the interthermal conditions of climate impact across the sectors. Shared temperature thresholds can indicate detecting effects on multi-sectors. Integrating assignments using a temperature bench enhances the relations planning and interaction of sectors. Policy implementations, mitigations, adaptations. Temperature being a results can inform evidence based on policy decisions on climate adaptation and mitigations. Sector specific temperature thresholds can guide the development of target policies. Policymakers can use a temperature being outputs for to optimize actions to address sectoral vulnerabilities. Challenges: data availability and quality are critical challenges in temperature being analysis. Defining appropriate temperature means that capture a sector specific impact accurately can be complex. Integrating uncertainty in climate projections and sector response process. Methodological challenges. High quality management challenges. Organizational culture, data overloaded, setting ambiguous, closing the cycle, unfitting procedures. Opportunities for advertisements. Advertisements in climate modeling techniques can enhance the accuracy of temperature being. Machine learning algorithms can automate the temperature being process and provide efficiency. Collaborative research efforts can lead to the development of standardized temperature being protocols. High level global climate modeling infrastructures. The coupled model intercompression projects. Futures research directions. Exploring the between temperature beings and other climate impacts assignments methodologies incorporative feedback mechanisms for stakeholders to improve the relevance of temperature being outputs. Investigating the potential of dynamic temperatures being approach to capture the non-stationary in climate impact. And the final conclusion: a temperature being approaches offers a perspective of multi-sector climate impact analysis. By categorizing the temperature data into bins, researchers can unravel complex relation between the temperature and sectoral vulnerabilities. Implementing the temperature beings can enhance reliances and informs the sustainability adoption and strategies. Acknowledgement. Acknowledging the contribution of a collaboration research partners and funding agencies to a temperature being studies. Expressing reliable stakeholders and participating who provided valuable insights and support during the research process, recognizing the effects of research them, conducting the temperature being analysis and disseminating the findings. I would like to express my gratitude I also like to thank the following organizations for this meeting on with energies to observe the daily works.